On March 27, 1964, Alaska was rocked by a magnitude 9.2 earthquake, the most powerful ever recorded in North America. Known as the Great Alaskan Earthquake, it struck the region with ferocity, causing widespread destruction. The quake lasted over 4 minutes, triggering massive tsunamis that devastated coastal areas, reaching as far as California. Buildings collapsed, and the landscape was dramatically altered, with some areas lifting up to 38 feet. In its wake, the disaster highlighted the need for improved seismic monitoring and building codes designed to withstand such forces of nature. The crucial lesson learned was the importance of preparedness and rapid response to mitigate the impact of such massive natural events.